Hello kids. Today our topic is setting the margins. How we can set the margins of our document. Margins refer to the amount of space which is left from the edges of the paper and the document text. Word 2016 allows you to set the margins on all the four sides of the document. That is top, bottom, left, right. The default margins are set at 1 inch from top and at bottom same 1 inch. From left and the right edge of the page it is again 1 inch. How we can set the margins? We can change these margin rules. How we can do it? Let's see how we can do it. First, if we want to change the settings, margin settings, we should have our document. Suppose this is our document. We can go to the margins. See kids, if you are not able to see this ruler, these are the rulers from top and from this side, vertical and horizontal rulers. If you are not able to see these rulers, you can click on the view tab. You can click on the view tab at the top. Click on the view tab here and then select this ruler option. The rulers will be available in front of you. See how it works. Okay, then you have to change the margins. For that you simply need to go here for top and bottom margin. When the arrow changes into double-headed arrow, you can change it. You can increase it or decrease it. It's up to you. Suppose we will increase it. Okay, done. Top. For the bottom, you will go to the bottom of the page and click like this. These margins are now different. See. Okay, from left and right we need to go to the horizontal this ruler and we'll click here. We can change it again the way we have changed the first ruler. From these two sides, if we will change, it will work for horizontal these two sides. So this is how we can change the rulers. On this side and now from this side. See, the text is in between these two margins now. Okay, this is how we can set the margins. But there are options available in Word. Ready-made options. What are the ready-made options? Exact margin options. For that you need to go to the page layout and there is an option margins option. You can click on the margins option and you will see different options here. Whichever option is okay for your document, you can select that. This is normal, 1 inch from every side. Now page orientation. What is paper orientation? Paper orientation is a property to set the printing direction of the text. The default orientation is portrait, in which document is printed lengthwise. When we choose landscape orientation, document is printed widthwise. This document is not in portrait. It's not in portrait orientation. It's in landscape. Now I'll show you how we can change the orientation. For that, you need to go to the page layout again, then the orientation option. Here are two options: portrait, landscape. These are the two options: portrait or landscape. How you can see this? See, this is let me keep it this way. This is the portrait orientation. No, sorry, landscape orientation. Now this is the portrait orientation. Portrait is how our books are printed. This way. This is portrait and this is landscape. This is landscape and this is portrait. Okay. Now what is paper size? You can work with different sizes of paper, but the available selection depend on the type of printer you use. Mostly the printers take A4 size, but there are other different sizes of the papers which you can work on. It depends upon the type of printer you are having. So the select for that, changing the paper size, you need to go to the page layout. Then you will click on this size button. There are different sizes available in this drop down list. The one which you are having this time is automatically selected. It is A4 here. More paper sizes are available here, or you can put, if it is not here, you can add it here, changing the width and the height of the paper. This is how it works. Then you have to click OK. I cannot change it here because it's already set according to the printer. So then what you will do, you will click here and you will choose the size of your paper. It will automatically change this way. Then now this time I'm having A4, so I'll click on again A4. So it's done. So children, now you have understood how we can change the page margins, we can change the orientation of the page, and how we can change the size of the page. Okay, have a nice day. Let's meet you in the next video.